It's time for the new era of AI marketing. For the past few months, we've been showing up every single day, creating, publishing, and sharing lessons on AI, marketing, entrepreneurship, business, and mindset. And that consistency, that dedication, that commitment is what builds momentum. Hopefully, you also receive some value from the content. It wasn't easy, but it was necessary, and it was worth it. Sure, there were challenges and obstacles. There were even haters, people who obviously don't know what they're talking about. But all this comes with the territory. And when all is said and done, we overcame every blocker and achieved what we set out to do. That's because when you treat this like a business, you'll get business results. Treat it like a hobby, and you'll only get hobby results. This is true in everything you do. Because as we say, how you do one thing is how you do everything. But commitment, action, and growth also means transformation. Life, marketing, and entrepreneurship are all about adapting, evolving, and moving forward. So as we move forward from this chapter, at least for now, get ready for something completely new. A shift into the next evolution of digital content creation. As we say, when one door closes, another one opens. And this time, we're stepping into the world of storytelling, AI visuals, and next-level marketing strategies like you've never seen before. So stay tuned, because this is just the beginning of a brand new chapter in the AI marketing revolution. As always, please like, subscribe, follow, comment, and share. And we'll see you again soon in the new era of AI marketing. Success is all about fast, massive, and consistent action. So take that action right now, let us know if you have any questions, and we will see you soon, at the top and on the inside, right here at 𝗠𝗿𝗍𝗄𝐿eung.com.